Hi, I'm Julie from Griot's Garage, here to tell you about our newly redesigned foaming sprayer. It features a robust brass quick connect that ensures no leaks, paired with a comfortable ergonomic trigger nozzle to power away dirt and grime, while easily connecting on and off of the foaming sprayer as needed. Its 32-ounce Griot's Garage branded ribbed reservoir means improved grip, and it holds enough wash to effectively clean everything from minis to RVs. The reservoir features an integrated mixing guide, which is always helpful if you need it. Now, our Boss and Brilliant Finish foam cannons, which use pressure washers, they're going to produce the most dense, thick foam. However, our foaming sprayer powered by any garden hose is a really convenient alternative to quickly spread some frothy, wet suds with no other tools or accessories. So if you're thinking about moving beyond traditional bucket and mitt washing, or want a foam cannon alternative for those times that you either don't want to schlep out the pressure washer, or if you just don't have access to one, the foaming sprayer is an absolute wonderful choice. For more information, visit griotsgarage.com, and as always, have fun in your garage. Ooh.